Assalamualaikum. My name is Ubaidur Rahman, BSc Agriculture, 4th semester, Peer Meher Ali Sharid Agriculture University Rawalpindi Sub-Campus Kushal. Today, my topic is what are the role of A, B and R line in hybrid, how these lines are produced, maintained and how hybrid seed produced. Role of A, B and R line. A line, stable, sterility, well developed floral traits for outcrossing. Early, wide spectral, strongly restored. B line, maintainable line, well developed floral traits with large pollen load, good combining ability. A and B nucleus should be same, only cytoplasmic will vary. R line, able to restore fertile, the male fertile characters, good combining ability, tailor. Then A line, large pollen load, normal flowering traits, no extra parent need for R line multiplication. In commercial sorghum hybrid seed production, cytoplasmic male sterile male sterility system in used as compared to maize, where the maintainer line now as been is used to maintain male sterile line. A will know as R line restores fertility of male sterile line A. A cytoplasmic male sterility is used in hybrid seed production. Usually, three kinds of lines are needed in this breeding program. Male sterile line. A line is used as a female parent for hybrid seed production, so it is commonly called the CMS line and the seed parent as well, because the CMS line is male sterile, is cannot be self reproduce and has to have a maintain line. The male sterile line is maintained by crossing with the maintainer line, so you can have the male sterile seed ready for use. Restore line is used to crossing male sterile line to produce hybrid seed. See attached picture. B line is equal to maintain line, R line is equal to restore line. Then A line male sterile multiply by B line male fertile. जब इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो A लाइन मल्टीप्लाई बाय R लाइन. A लाइन जो है वो मेल स्टीराइल लाइन है और जो R लाइन है वो मेल फर्टाइल लाइन है. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने से हमारे पास जो सीड आएगा वो हाइब्रिड सीड मेल फर्टाइल आएगा. क्रॉसिंग द A line A and B result in male sterile progeny because the two lines have recessive fertility genes and the A line has CMS in hybrid seed production. The resulting A line is crossing with the R line because the R line process domain fertility restores genes. The sterility in dominant effect of the CMS cytoplasmic from the A line is reversed, resulting in fertile hybrid seed. Then next हमारे पास है 3 line system. जो R smaller multiply by smaller male, जो smaller है वो मेल स्टीराइल है. जब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो फर्टाइल से, तो इसके बाद हमारे पास A लाइन और B लाइन जो प्रोड्यूस होगी वो मेल स्टीराइल R लाइन स्मॉल, और जो B लाइन होगी वो कैपिटल फर्टाइल जो है वो हमारे पास कैपिटल R लाइन डबल R जो है वो होगा. फिर इसके बाद जो हमारे पास हाइब्रिड जो होगा हमारे पास प्रोड्यूस होगा वो RY होगा. जो स्टेप 1 है फाउंडेशन सीड क्रॉसिंग ब्लॉक टू प्रोड्यूस मोर लाइन A सीड्स. Step 2 hybrid seed crossing block to produce actual hybrid seed for commercial crops. Step 3, commercial canal production. S. Sterile cytoplasm. F. Fertile cytoplasm. Double R. Homozygous for maintainer genes. Double R capital. Homozygous for dominant restore gene. Capital R small or heterozygous for restored genes. Maintenance and production of line hybrid seed production involve two steps. Number one, maintenance of parental line, A line, B line and R line. Number two, commercial hybrid seed production, A multiplied by R. Maintenance of parent line is generally referred as foundation seed production and hybrid seed production as certified seed. The A line can be maintenance crossing with B line in an isolated plot while in hybrid seed production A line is crossing with the B line and the R line can be maintained just like normal variety by following the required isolation and field standards as the maintenance of B line and R line is just like normal varieties. It is not discussed in male sterile line. The male sterile line is maintained by crossing with the maintainer line carrying the same nuclear genome but with normal fertile cytoplasm for crops such as onion or carrot, where the commodity harvested from the F1 generation is vegetative growth. Male sterile is not a problem. In cytoplasm, genetic male sterile restoration of fertile is done using restored line is maintained by crossing with the maintainer line carrying the same nuclear genome but with normal fertile cytoplasm. Male sterile can arise spontaneously. Mutation in nuclear genes and cytoplasmic gene. In the case the trigger for CMS is the extracellular. The main sterile line is maintained by crossing it will pollination strain used as a recurrent parent in backcrossing since the nucleus genotype of the pollinator is identical with that of the new male sterile line. Maintainer of male sterile line. Male sterile A MS or multiplied by male fertile sterile B MS meter per second. MS male sterile line A multiplied by MS F1 male fertile. Crossing the male sterile line with the male fertile sibling, the F1 is backcrossed with the male sterile A maintained by SIB mating feed from the male sterile plant only is harvested. Maintained by SIB mating seed from the male sterile plant only is harvested. B line it is called as maintained. The sterile A line B line is isogenic to line in the sense its genotype is similar to A line except for a single sterility governing gene. B line should be in the homozygous state at male sterile locus to maintain A line. After crossing A multiplied by B line in A line maintenance plot heterozygous condition of male sterility locus in B line will produce 50% of male fertile F1 is a crossing with the A line. In the A line maintenance plot, this will lead to self seed production. In the hybrid seed production plot, the first two lines should be of the same genotype, should not have any RF genes, and are used for multiplication of the CMS line. Hybrid seed are produced between the CMS line and a fertility restore line of different genotype by alternating their rows or block of rows in the nursery seed set of the CMS line are hybrid between the two parent hybrid seed, the two parental line. They have the male sterility cytoplasmic transmitted from the female parent but give rise to pollen fertile plant because they receive the dominant RF gene from the pollen parent. R line restore line is used to restore the fertility in hybrid after crossing with MSA line. In hybrid production plot, availability of fertility develop hybrid and to commercially use the CMS source in producing a fertility hybrid seed fertility restore gene block or compensate for specific mitochondria that are typically expressed during pollen develop. Different RF genes have been identified and mapped on different chromosomes along with their molecular mechanism in restoring the fertility. RF1 gene was mapped on chromosomes SB108 which coded for penty repeat PRP family protein to alter the male sterility gene posted. Similarly, RF2 gene mapped on SB102, RF gene mapped on SB105 and RF6 gene mapped on SB1. Hybrid seed produced. Hybrid is produced by crossing between two genetically dissimilar parent. Pollen from male parent pollen parent will pollinate fertility and set seed in female to produce F1 hybrid seed. For production of a hybrid, crossing between two parent is important. The crossing process will result in heterosis in self-pollinated crops. It is difficult to cross, but in cross-pollinated crops it is areas. There are two systems. Two line A and B hybrid breeding and seed production but at parentally there three lines method using cytoplasmic male sterility system. In the at presently their line method using cytoplasmic male sterility system. In this system, three lines parent are involved in hybrid seed production. These parent are A line. It is cytoplasmic male sterility line which is used as female parent in hybrid seed production. It is maintained by crossing with the B line. Their line are isogenic having homozygous recessive nuclear gene confirming male sterility differing only in cytoplasmic, which is sterility in A line, and fertile F in its maintain. B line, it is isogenic to A line and it is used pollen parent to maintain male sterility in A line. This line is maintained by growing in isolation at least 5 m away from any rice variety. And this is also called as fertility restored or pollinator line. This is used in hybrid seed production by growing along with A line in a standard row ratio. It is also maintained by growing in isolation at least 5 m away from any rice variety. Nucleus and breeder seed production. Seed of both seed and pollinator parent are multiplied at nuclear and breeder's seed stages. Foundation seed production. Seed production of seed and pollinator parent required from hybrid seed production program is known as the foundation seed program. Certified seed production. Hybrid seed production by registered grower under the supervision of seed certification officer is known as certified seed program. Breeder seed AB and R line. Foundation seed AB A and R line. Certified seed hybrid seed.